And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
What are you making?
Ice cream.
Hello, Sea Lions, and welcome to the Sea Lion Splash, a weekly video that helps the McGaw community come together to praise all of our students who are working hard, who are showing up on time, and doing whatever it takes to make sure that McGaw is the best place in all of LaSalle Unified. Let's check out what we've got going on this week. It's Monday night, and that means it's Project Seek's skate night. So I hope that you get to wear all of your cool rainbow gear and head on over to the skating rink down in Fountain Valley to celebrate and support Project Seek. I'll see you there. Pageant tryouts are on Tuesday, so make sure that you've done everything you can to prepare so you can be a part of the big show. It hasn't taken me long to realize that Seal Beach is a pretty awesome community, and that's why this Wednesday I'm encouraging you to walk or ride your bike to school. So put on your helmet, get your backpack on, get a family member or someone else that you really trust, and walk to school and celebrate a different way to get here other than riding in a car. I'll see you there. In our final announcement, McGaw Idol tryouts begin this Wednesday. So just remember, if you are in grades 1, 2, or 5, then you're going to want to try out on Wednesday. If you are in UTK, kindergarten, or in grades 3 and 4, you're going to want to try out on Thursday after school. See you there.
Welcome to movie night.
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.